Hey guys, so we are going to discuss about sound devices. And now we will find out the difference between assonance versus alliteration. But before we proceed, let us first define the meaning of sound devices. When we say sound devices, these are the forms of figurative language that use creative sources of sounds by the writers to emphasize and create an imagery and emotional response to their write-ups. So now what is the meaning of assonance? Assonance refers to the repetition of a vowel sound. The repetition of vowel sounds can be read or heard at the beginning, middle, or last syllable of the words in a sentence. So here are some examples of assonance. Jane baked the cake that we ate. Words with assonance in the sentence are Jane, bake, cake, and ate. I try to ride in a bike with Mylene. These are the words with assonance. I, try, ride, bike, and Mylene. Ben and Rex are using the red helmet. Ben, Rex, red, and helmet are words with assonance. Elton bought 4 boxes of popcorn in the store. Elton bought 4 boxes popcorn store are words with assonance. Eunice uses her cute hair brush. Eunice uses cute are words with assonance. Remember that in assonance, you have to focus with the letter sounds and not the letter names. Let's say, for example, the word ice and ink. They both begin in I, but each word has different sound. Also the same with the word cat and rake. Now let's practice the poems with assonance. Ice Cream by Cara Caro. Ice cream in a bowl, ice cream in a cone. Ice cream any way I want as long as it is my own. Ice cream can be sticky, ice cream can be sweet. Ice cream is delicious, it's my favorite treat. Words with assonance in the poem are bowl, cone, own, sticky, sweet, delicious, and treat. A Smile That Heals by Calai. A COVID patient silently prays, for the final cure that he really waits. Then a man in white with mask on his face suddenly shouts to rejoice and praise. The cure is the smile that comes from our faith because God will provide his miraculous ways. Words with assonance in the poem are patient, praise, waits, face, praise, faith, and ways. Now let's move on to our next topic. What do we mean by alliteration? When we say alliteration, it is a figurative term that refers to the repetition of the same consonant sounds at the beginning words and other nearby words. Alliteration is also focused on the beginning sound and not the beginning letter. Examples are cat and choice. They are not alliteration. Cat and cigar. Also not an alliteration. Cat and kick. This is an example of alliteration. Now take a look at these examples. The beautiful bouquet blossomed in the bright sun. Words with alliteration are beautiful, bouquet, blossomed, and bright. She should share her shells with her sister. She, should, share, and shells are examples of alliteration. The captain couldn't keep the men in the cabin. Captain, couldn't, keep, cabin are examples of alliteration. The wind was whistling through the weeping willows. Wind, was, whistling, weeping, and willows are words with alliteration. Mom nabbed her niece by the nape of her neck. Nabbed, niece, nape, and neck are alliteration. At this time, let's try to read the following without twisting your tongue. Are you ready? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said, "This butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my bitter batter better." Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. A peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper pecked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper, where's a peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper pecked? Good job! Now remember, assonance is the repetition of vowel sounds at the beginning, middle, and last part of the words. And when we say alliteration, it is the repetition of consonant sounds at the beginning of the words. Now, how well did you understand about assonance and alliteration? Let's find out. Say wow if the sound device used in each sentence is assonance, and yay if it is alliteration. Number 1. The king wears the ring while his daughter sings. Good job. Number 2. The store clerk stood and stared at me. Very good. Number 3. Karla cooks carbonara in the kitchen. Nice one. Number 4. The mad lad owns the black bag. Great. Number 5. He kissed his twin sister. Good job. Number 6. Charlene bought a chandelier in the shopping mall with her chaperon. Oh, great. Number 7. I own the coat that was found on the boat. Nice one. Number 8. They play the kite that flies high in the sky. Very good. Number 9. Ron runs faster than Renzo. Oh, great. Number 10. Kaye takes a slice of cake for Maine. Very good. Congratulations. Hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you and bye.